So now that we've completed the home page, we're going to move on to the About page. And I did make that update to have that dark part within that template file that I have. So this is reflected, and this is what we found within the index. So we do want to make everything the same within the template as if we make any changes. So make sure that if you do make some updates, that you update it in the template before you save the About. Otherwise, you'd have to go through each page and just simply draw out that content that's contained within the container as well. So that's the other option if you do want to get everything consistent again. And usually that's a good idea to keep all of your page content consistent. So now we're ready with the template, and I'm going to save it as about.html. So now we've got a fresh page to start working on. And again, we're going to look at this container area, About Me page. And this is going to have information about us and more. So there we go. So we're ready to take a closer look at that About page. We don't have a whole lot of information here, so we need to also maybe update that welcome page, and we'll just call it About Us. So About Us. So we've got our home page, we've got the About Us, and we also maybe need a specific image for that as well. So let's grab an image right off the bat. Let's update that. So same thing that we did within there, maybe we could also work this into the template as well. So the reason that I'm changing it, I could do it within the style sheet. So that was the other option that I have. I could update it and do it within the style sheet, and then I'd have to give them each separate different IDs or a way to distinguish them within the new pages. So that would be the other option instead of having it within the page style attributes, page style tags here. So let's go back out to here and let's see what other options. So we have cats. We've got sports, food, city. So let's do city for this one. So the next thing that we want to do, just as we planned out our home page, we want to plan out, and let's save this as About. Or actually, let's start a brand new page. We're just going to do new, and we're just going to call it About. So it's going to build out a brand new page, and let's plan out what this About page is going to look like. So coming in, maybe we're going to have a nice big image here on the left-hand side here. Again, nice big, actually I think I need the rectangle. So we'll have an image here. So this will be our image. We'll have a bunch of text here on the right-hand side, or maybe this time we can flip it around. So we'll do the image here on the right-hand side and our text on the left. So maybe some information about what's happening, what we do, and then also let's add in some visuals here. So we'll do several different images. And I know they're not always spaced out the best. So let's just add in those images. So these are all going to be the same size, even though in my diagram here, I don't want to spend too much time on fine-tuning this. But basically, what I want to do is have the four different columns there. So 3 columns wide each, and have some images and maybe some information underneath. So let's just set that up. So this is going to be a really plain page and basically telling us about us. So it's the About Us page. So that's it. And now let's build that out. In the next lesson, we're going to build this out within our editor. So that's coming up.